Good morning, my dear students. This is Shamsher Singh, your physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. I hope you all are physically fit and safe at your home. Dear students, we have done chapter 6. I hope you all understood this chapter. Now we will start chapter number 7. Topic is test, measurement and evolution. Let's start the topic. First, what is test? Test may be called as tool, a question, set of question, an examination which is used to measure a particular characteristic of an individual or a group of individuals. Another one is test is the form of questioning or measuring tool used to assess the status of one's skill, knowledge, attitude, and fitness. In scientific terms, test is an instrument or tool used to obtain data on specific characteristics or traits of an individual or group. It may be in form of scale, measuring tape, thermometer, etc. Test is required for all measurements. A good test should measure the quality for which it is to be used. It should be simple, accurate, and easy to administer. Testing is an important element in the field of games and sports. It is an attempt to assess the needs and capacities of the athlete or player with a view to help and improve the performance. With the help of test, teaching can be determined and progress can be known. But for accurate results from a test, a teacher, coach, or trainer must know the present abilities of the athlete or player. A test should be valid, meaning it measures what it is supposed to measure, and it should be reliable, meaning it is repeatable. Next is definitions. According to Webster's dictionary, a test is a tool to evaluate the skill, knowledge, capacities, or aptitudes of an individual or a group. Another one is according to H.M. Barrow and Maggie. Test refers to any specific instrument, procedure, or technique used by an administrator to elicit a response from the test taker. Another one is according to Barry Johnson and Jack Nelson. Test is the form of questioning or measuring used to assess retention of knowledge, capacity, or ability of some endeavor. Next is measurement. It is the use of tests and techniques to get the information about fitness level of an athlete. In other words, measurement is a process with the help of various types of tests through which the fitness level of an athlete can be measured. Measurements generally result in quantitative data. In other words, measurement is the process of collecting information through different tests or to evaluate the performance of an individual. There are many tests and instruments in the physical education field through which we check the fitness of the individual, like AFA test, Johnson basketball test, IQ test, Harvard step test, a weighting scale, and BMI test, etc. In other words, measurement is a process with the help of various types of tests through which the fitness level, knowledge, ability, behavior, interest, and personality traits, etc., of an athlete or player can be measured. Definitions. According to H. M. Barrow, measurement refers to the process of administering a test to obtain quantitative data. According to Johnson and Nelson, measurement aids evolution process in which various tools and techniques are used in the collection of data. Last, thus, we can say that measurement is about the collection of data about performance or task completed by a sportsperson by using a test. Next is evolution. Evolution tells us the progress of the individual or group. Test and measurement are required for evolution. For example, when an individual has to take part in a competition, he get a medical evolution to make sure that he is fit enough to take part in it or not. In other words, evolution is a process which is mainly responsible for making decisions. It is the process which helps the individual to know the result of any programming. Or evolution is the use of measurement in making decisions. In other words, evolution is the process of interpreting, analyzing, and assessing in the data obtained from tests. It is the judgment of what the numerical measurement data actually mean. Now definition is according to Tuckman. Evolution is a process where in the parts, processes or outcomes of a program are examined to see whether they are satisfactory, particularly with reference to the program's stated objectives, our own expectations, or our own standards of excellence. Evolutions should help to draw conclusions about five main aspects of the intervention. First is relevance. Second is effectiveness. Third is efficiency. Fourth is impact. And last, sustainability. Some corresponding examples for test, measurement, and evolution. First test, question paper of written examination. Measurement is answer books written by students are given scores by the examiner. And evaluation, fail or pass in individual paper. Second is questionnaire of surveys, scoring by the researcher, assigning individual value bad, good, very good, excellent to each answer. And last, determines how well, determines how much, and determines how good. Dear students, I hope you have understood this example. And dear students, if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can call me, you can message me. At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.